All right, hopefully we are prepared here. So see if this starts correctly. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Joe Stahula. I'm here with Plantronics, and we're set up with our PLT Labs booth over there by the door, so that we try and get you coming and going. But what I'm here today to talk about and demonstrate is our Plantronics Wearable Concept 1, which is a headset form factor. It's based on our very popular Voyager Legend headset, but what we've done is taken that headset platform and packed inside here quite a bit of additional processing and sensor functionality. So we already had some sensors for capacitive touch detection where the headset was smart to know if it was on or off your head or how it was being used. What we've added is 9 degrees of motion sensing. So there's a 3-axis accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a full magnetometer built in here. And being in the heart of LA, which you could argue is entertainment capital of the world, and we knew we had to do a demo on stage. We were thinking what would be an exciting demo, thinking about what's happening in the world, and probably a lot of you know 2 new gaming consoles just launched, so we're thinking maybe we could demo something that shows the cutting edge of gaming technology and how you could take a device like this and really tie it into advanced virtual gaming. So if you haven't had a chance to stop by our booth environment over there, what we're revealing or what we brought to market here recently within the past few months is this PLT Lab effort. We have had the Plantronics Developer Connection, which is a developer program and environment we have available for our shipping product and our existing platform of software, but we've taken that a step further with our PLT Labs and trying to give partners and developers access to some of the things that isn't necessarily in our shipping product. It's what's potentially coming next and how we use the new technologies. We have a partner program set up with PLT Labs. So we have a website that's pltlabs.com that you're welcome to go check out. And on there, you're able to sign up. And what we have when you do sign up for the program, become a partner, is the Wearable Concept 1 development kit that you can get access to. It comes with a nice little charge case, which has battery connectivity inside it, so you can actually put the headset into the case itself and it'll charge it, and then you can charge the case separately if you want. It comes with a nice little USB dongle, which allows for PC connectivity, so you don't have to access the Bluetooth stack on your PC if you're not wanting to wrestle with that. It also, in the Wearable Concept 1, has the MFI chip built inside it. So for those of you that aren't familiar, that stands for the Made for iOS. And that allows for Apple devices to send proprietary data over Bluetooth, where other devices are limited to just some audio connectivity and some advanced sort of remote control functionality for audio on Apple devices unless you do that. So currently we have available the application development APIs for both the iOS environment and PC. And we're also releasing for Android and native iOS in the future shortly as well. All right, there we go. So, as I said, this is the high-tech Plantronics version of Breakout. Let's see if my headset is calibrated. So what you're going to see here, I'm looking at the same screen you guys see over here, but just by moving my head, I'm interacting with the game. So showing how you can use the accelerometer. Now let's say, I'll cut this short just because I had to use so much stall time in there. But also being in LA in the entertainment industry, we thought, well, wouldn't it be cool also to do something with audio, because we are an audio company, and we like to do things with music and have some of our awesome stereo music headsets. All right. So imagine you've stepped into my virtual funk band here. I mean, as you can see, I'm playing the music. It's great, experience the music, but what if you really wanted to be a part of the music or you wanted to interact with your virtual funk band? Let's put my headset back on. And now if I want to interface with the individual members of my group, I'll be able to talk to my percussion band member, but also say I want to talk to the guitar player more. Or if I've heard enough of the guitar, I want to talk to my bass player. All right, guitar coming back. Talk to my percussion guy. Back here somewhere I have my percussion. There he is. And then by simply taking off the headset, where it detected the headset's no longer worn, I get the full band again. All right, so that's just giving you an example of some of the things we do with the headset. We're not an application company, so please don't rate us on the merit of how good you thought those applications were for an end product. But what we like to do is build this awesome functionality into our devices and then give that functionality to development partners. Surface the stuff in easy-to-use APIs so you can take that functionality, and maybe you're not a big Breakout fan. Maybe Pong was your thing. You can go do an implementation of Pong with the headset or something far more advanced. So we've got about a minute left. Didn't want to cut it short, but if there are questions or anything I could answer for anyone. So we've, some of the best examples probably to discuss is we've been sponsoring and participating in a bunch of hackathons and seeing the way the device gets utilized. Some of the cool applications we've seen is you can actually detect the fall of gravity on the device. So it can sense if a person was wearing the device and took a spill and maybe feed that back. As we mentioned, the head tracking, we had not quite fully successful, but someone took the device and tried to implement with a separate Adreno-based quadcopter interface they developed to actually be able to steer and run the device with the headset. So some pretty cool stuff you can do. All right, well, I think that's my time limit there. So thanks for bearing with me. Sorry about the delay. Come discuss with us over at the booth.